Hi, this is John with WTI, and this is my USB-C to headphone jack adapter. So, as we all have in these days, headphone jacks are dead to our phones, to our tablets, and most of our devices. But we still want sometimes that wire connection that is going to work perfectly when it comes not dealing with batteries or dealing with charging speeds. Just easy. Take out your earbuds that are wired, go into another place, and they're just going to work fine. Sometimes you don't want to be focused about the Bluetooth connection, or you just want a stable connection. And something I like about this adapter is look how well quality it is. It's rated and has great ways that you can bend it, move it to different places, and it's well built, made out of the great braid and at the same time rubber that is going to take care of the whole connection, and it's made out of metal in the both ends that are going to secure you with this adapter for a long time. So if you're looking for a great adapter that's going to do the job whenever you're trying to connect your wired earbuds to your phone or tablet or any other device, this one works great. So this was John with WTI, and that was my point of view.